Step inside this Wright City home and you'll instantly fall in love with the open floor plan, fenced yard, and beautiful wooded backyard. Let's go check it out. Just imagine sipping your coffee in here every morning, looking at this beautiful wooded view, knowing that the lakes are just back there, ready for you to enjoy. This home just makes it real.